Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. This afternoon in my kitchen, I'm gonna put together some coleslaw. Easy recipe, but if you like mayonnaise-based coleslaw, this is a good one. Like I said, easy, foolproof, all those good things to go with our burgers for tonight. So, I'm gonna cheat and not shred my own cabbage. I'm gonna have it in this bag, which is great. And I'm just gonna dump that into the bowl. And I'm gonna add just a splash of white vinegar. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Well, this thing does not want to turn. Okay, let's grab some of it. Here we go. Okay, and we'll stop there because I can add more of that later. I'm going to add some ground black pepper, a generous amount. Then I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. And I'm going to start with, I don't know, 1/4 of a cup or so. Slaw is one of those things you kind of add a little mayonnaise and stir, see if that tastes good to you, if it looks right. Then you can add some more if you need it. Let's give that a toss. Get every little bit. Stir it in there. It's going to need a little more mayonnaise. Well, I'm just making a mess with this mayonnaise. Literally. Mayonnaise amount looks pretty good. I'm going to add some more pepper. And give that a toss. Let's give it a taste. That's how I like it. This will be delicious on our burgers with the chili, onion, tomato, coleslaw, mayonnaise-based coleslaw. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.